Hey guys, this is Darryl. I got a little R&M fan here this morning. I've got it plugged in with a test lead. You can hear that. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it and see if we can't get this thing apart, get into it, and see what's going on with it. I think we're probably going to end up putting new bearings in it and getting everything aligned properly and everything. So hang on here just a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've got this little Robbins Myers 1801 back together. It had a problem. You heard it squealing. There's the old bearings that come out from in there, and they were pretty worn on the inside. I dressed that shaft a little bit. The motor's running now. You can't even hear it run. It's running so quiet, but I've had it running for a good little bit. I don't like for these to run very long without the blade on them, because with the blade on there, the blade is pulling air through these vent holes on the back and out through the vent holes on the front, and that's what keeps the motor from getting hot. And it's still cool now, but I don't like to let these things run for long, but I wanted to let it run long enough, because with those bearings in there, the motor would run for a short time, maybe a minute or two, and then it would start to chatter. It would start making noise. So it's run long enough that I think it's going to be fine now with the new bearings in there. So I'll turn this thing around so you can see the motor starts up on its own like it's supposed to when I go from the off position. We'll turn it on. See, it starts running clockwise direction like it's supposed to. I've just got these test leads hooked up, but the motor's really quiet. You can't even hear this thing running, and I think everything's going to be fine with it. So appreciate y'all watching.